Will you trust me if I say I can improve your storytelling forever? Well, does it seem a big promise to you? But trust me, just give me your 5 minutes and I can show you how to turn your word into your words. Hello all, I'm Rinky and I welcome all of you to Ring's Creator Corner. So if you're new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're a returning viewers, lots of love to you and please stay connected for an amazing session. Well, you may think that why suddenly storytelling? Why it is so important? But I'll just give you 5 seconds to think about the famous YouTuber to whom you are following, or probably the leader, whose words really touch your hearts. Just think about them and just try to think what exactly touch you, what exactly feel you, and what is that things which actually, keep you reminding about them. Well, I hope you got your answer. And that's a storytelling. Trust me, they knows only one thing, that is how to turn anything into a great storytelling. They knows how to sell their product by storytelling, and that is why storytelling is extremely important. So for example, any big YouTuber, any leader, any superb content creator you will be thinking about, just imagine their first video. Does they have any fancy camera? Does they have any great mic or maybe a great lighting? No, but they had only one thing, that is the power of telling a story. Whatever they wanted to share with you, they knew how to make a story and how to place in front of you, right? So that is why storytelling is extremely important. Before anything else, please understand that storytelling is not only for books or not only for movies. Storytelling is such a thing which we require in every segment of our life, in every job we do. Because this is how we connect to hearts, this is how we sell our ideas, and this is how we actually build our trust. And let me tell you one thing, people don't remember data, they remember only one thing, that is your emotion. They only remember you as a person. And your story, this is not boring, it is just untold in a right way. So let's come to the point and let's break it down. Any great stories you are hearing, it has 3 steps. The first one is setup, second one is the conflict, and the third one is resolution. So let's break it down more and see what is actually setup, conflict, and resolution mean to you. Now, setup means who are you, what happening, and why should I care? Conflict is what went wrong. What are the challenges you are actually getting during your work? And the resolution is the ultimate game. How did you overcome the challenges? And what is the lesson which you wanted to share for your viewers? People connect with real story. People connect with emotion. Now, for example, if I say I had 0 subscribers, I have posted continuously for 90 days, and now it's a boom for my channel. Are you really getting that emotions from my story? No, right? But now, hear me out, the another one. I have uploaded 37 videos and every time I got below 100 views. I was really struggling. I don't know how to, keep on going. I really don't know how to convince myself that I have to post more and more and more. But one day I thought that I should share the actual struggling story with all of my viewers. And you know what happened? The day I have shared the story, it actually hit the 10K number. Now, can you differentiate both the stories? I think yes, you can. The second one which I have shared, it has more emotion. It has more true things which I have shared. It has the real essence. And that is why people are getting connected with it. So please keep in mind, whatever you're saying to your viewers, keep it real. please share the true story. And people only get connected when they are hearing the real things, when they are actually hearing the true story from you. So what I wanted to say, that what makes your story really powerful, that not only the words, it's the emotion. So when you are sharing some story, people should feel your emotion. They should judge, or they should understand that probably you are sad, probably you are happy, probably you are angry, or probably there is something which is killing you from inside. And that is the point when your viewers are going to connect with you. They will remember you, they will subscribe your channel, and they will come again and again. Now, let me share some practical things which may boost your storytelling. When you are starting some story, you may ask some questions to your viewers. You can show some result, or you can claim something bold which you have achieved. And please use the word as a you, because when you are recording something, only you know that you are recording, you are talking in front of camera. But when your viewer is hearing you, they can feel, they should understand that you are talking to them only. Make your viewer feels that the story which you are sharing, it is for them. It's only for them. Cut the fluff, say less, but please mean more. Use pause, use pacing, and also use silence, which is a great weapon. Trust me. So when you are speaking and you just take a pause, when you are taking a pause, your viewer will connect with you more. This is a great weapon. And lastly, please end with a takeaway. What is the one thing that you want your viewer should remember? So your story has to be designed in such a way that they remember the key takeaway. Now let me ask you, what is your key takeaway from this video? Please write it down below, because I also wanted to know that what you are actually catching. What is the thing which is actually taking your attention more? So the final message is, you don't need a great mic, a studio, or a perfect grammar. What you need are real story to share and the courage to tell it. So see you in the next episode, and let me know how you are liking. Please don't forget to comment it and let me know your feedback.